Hello kids! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Come on kids, let's learn. Today, we are going to learn sight words. Today, we are going to learn 5 sight words.
First, let's meet our friend, So.
Hi, I'm the sight word So. I make sentences sound so cool.
Let's meet our friend, Anne.
Hello, I'm the sight word N. I help connect words.
Let's meet our friend, Bye.
Hey there, I'm the sight word, Bye.
Let's meet our friend, As.
Hi, I'm the sight word, As. I add details and describe things.
Let's meet our friend, If.
Hello everyone. I am the sight word If. I bring a sense of possibility and wonder.
Now that we've met our sight word friends, let's go on an adventure with a story using all 5 words.
So, by a pond, an eager frog sang. If it rained, he hid. As the sun set, he rested happily. An Arctic hare rested by the fire. He dreamt. If it snowed, he played. As the moon shone, he slept so peacefully.
Let's find out all the so words in this paragraph. Let's start from the beginning. So. 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 Good job. We can now point out the word so when we see it. Let's find out all the and words in this paragraph. Let's start from the beginning. N. 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 Good job. We can now point out the word N when we see it. Let's find out all the by words in this paragraph. Let's start from the beginning. By. 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 Good job. We can now point out the word by when we see it. Let's find out all the as words in this paragraph. Let's start from the beginning. As. 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 Good job. We can now point out the word as when we see it. Let's find out all the if words in this paragraph. Let's start from the beginning. If. 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 Good job. We can now point out the word if when we see it.
Good job, kids. You have learned another set of sight words today. See you soon.